Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to install and use Copilot in Visual Studio Code for free. So let's get started. At first open Visual Studio Code and then click on the GitHub icon right here in the title bar. Then select Use AI features with Copilot for free. It will open a sidebar. Here click on Sign in to use Copilot for free button. Now enter the email address for GitHub account and then enter the password for your GitHub account. You don't need payment information and subscription. It will work. Just click on continue. Authorize Visual Studio Code. It may take a while for setting up. Now you have got GitHub Copilot. Let's create a registration form. GitHub Copilot adds AI to every part of the VS Code. I am going to create a registration form using Tailwind CSS using the help of Copilot. If you want to accept this code, select Accept button. Now I am going to install Live Preview. You can ask question in the sidebar. That's it. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this video.